In operations, every minute counts. When critical spare parts don't arrive on time, production comes to a halt, costs go up, and operational continuity is at risk. Every day, hundreds of companies face delays of weeks or even months, waiting on components coming from overseas, directly impacting their efficiency and competitiveness.
At Remiex, we understand this problem, and we made it our mission. Our proposal is clear: reduce delivery times and offer a fast and reliable shopping experience.
We're a multinational company with offices in Chile, the United States, and Australia, specializing in the quick and dependable supply of industrial spare parts for automation, control, and electrical systems. Today, major companies trust us as their strategic partner to keep their operations running smoothly. We're experts at sourcing hard-to-find parts, whether due to obsolescence or lack of local stock.
At Remiex, we develop our own software using AI. It quickly matches the part numbers that our customers request with our extensive and global supply network. This unique technology speeds up the process and allows us to deliver spare parts in record time.
You need components on time, sometimes urgently, to keep operations running. That's not just our concern, it's our mission. We find and deliver fast, so you can stay ahead without interruption.